So just received this cool accessory here from East Brooklyn Labs. These guys reached out a while ago. They had a product for a pair of headphones. I can't remember, was it the ATH M50s, I believe, to turn a wired headphone into a wireless Bluetooth headphone. This accessory, this product, I think is even a step better. It's an AirPod charge case, and it's something I think Apple should have done themselves from the jump, from the get-go. As you might have guessed, this is going to add wireless charging to your AirPods. Now, these are not the greatest earphones, but they are convenient for certain circumstances. It's a tiny little package. And of course, if you are in the Apple ecosystem, they pair up really nicely to any Apple device. They give you, the nice little look. There are plenty of people using them. And there is talk right now of a next version that Apple's working on. And I hope they take some advice from this little innovation here in order to add wireless charging to it, because it's one of the slim little headaches that goes along with this. You just have a standard lightning port on the bottom there. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but the idea of having, a little wireless charge pad on the bedside table and just dropping those on there. And there's been all those delays on Apple's own wireless charging pad, so who knows what's happening with Apple and wireless charging. In the meantime, we have this product that I want to check out. It is the AirPod charge case. Apparently it's made out of silicone, 2.5 millimeter silicone case, hard plastic inner shell for extra protection, and compatible with any Qi wireless charger. So it's just kind of a cool little accessory for a product that I know a lot of people have. I see a lot of AirPods out in the wild, so it could be a solution for a lot of people to keep their AirPods charged up. Okay, the case itself, it does seem like a protective cover, kind of like a silicone. Look at this, that's it. It's pretty standard, factory fresh. You don't put the AirPods themselves, but you put the whole case into here. Okay, so you're gonna wanna have the wireless charge symbol on the front of the case. And then this guy's gonna fit like this. So you can see there's a little cutout there so you can get your fingernail in there, and then that's it. Pretty nice. All right, so a little bit of protection added also. You still have access to the button here. I guess you just drop this onto a wireless charge pad. Let's give that a shot. Okay, cool. From the latest Doogie video. So we just drop this guy on, and the blue light comes on. Can they see that? They can see that. Oh man, that's convenient. That is super duper convenient. It's better than a cable. It's better than a cable. You just drop it on. You never even think about it. You just find a little home for your AirPods, and they're always charged. A simple little gadget I thought you guys should know about. It's from East Brooklyn Labs. I think if you're an AirPod owner, you should definitely check this out. You can add wireless charging to it. How much is this, Will? 24 bucks. It's not bad either. Plus maybe a little bit more stealth, if you think about it. I don't know if you're a huge fan of the dental floss look of the AirPod case, but now you have a slightly more stealth appearance. I think that's a bit of a deal, possibly even a steal. $24.99. Are we gonna drop a link? It's available in other colors as well. Black, blue, pink, and white. Oh yeah, just like on the case. Is it available on Amazon? Yes. Also available on Amazon. Holy smokes, Willie Doo, you knocked it out of the park. It's a nice little gadget. That's what the people are looking for. That's what they want. East Brooklyn Labs. There you have it.